Wala ng tubig po sa quarantine hotel. So, lumipat po ako. Hindi po ako nasa bahay ko because my wife has comorbidities. Nanghirap po ako ng bakanting bahay where I am quarantining. Tatapusin po natin yung minimum 10-day quarantine dahil asymptomatic po tayo. But we hope to join the President next Monday because that would already be the 15th day. Pero magre-reswab pa rin po dahil yan pong requirement ng Malacanang.
Okay. Thank you, Secretary.
Okay po. Next question, Yusek Roque.
Yes, Secretary. A question from Evelyn Quiroz ng Filipino Mirror para po kay Dr. Edsel Salvania. You were quoted as saying that the best use of Sinovac for now is general public with moderate risk exposure and not high risk exposure like with the frontline COVID workers, because we know that it will work at 91% efficacy. And quote, why is the government promoting Sinovac when it is not suited for frontline work? Shouldn't the frontliners be prioritized first?
Yes po, that's an old Facebook post po nung lumabas initially yung FDA approval na EUA. Since then, dahil nga wala pa po tayong ibang bakuna, and ang nakita naman po natin even for healthcare workers, 100% po yung protection for severe disease. And alam naman po natin yung clear and present danger natin ngayon are our healthcare workers, lalo na dito sa surge. So yung naging issue lang naman po talaga was initially yung sinabi ng FDA na medyo mababa yung efficacy against mild, although wala rin namang ganung provision sa ibang bansa na nag-approve na ng Sinovac. So ang TAG po at ang NITAG nag-usap-usap po, especially in light na there is an acute vaccine shortage, then it is important that we offer whatever protection we can to the healthcare workers. May choice naman rin po sila. They never lost their place in line. Pero kasama po kasi ako dun sa frontliners, and I'd rather be protected. I am so happy I got it. Kasi ngayon, I'm taking care of about 10 COVID patients na positive po, and I got my vaccine 3 weeks ago. Meron na pong protection ako sa severe, aside from the fact that I'm using my PPE. So, yung lumang po na pahayag na yon, that's assuming may iba tayong vaccines. The problem is there is an acute shortage. So we will use what we can use to protect our healthcare workers as much as possible po.
Thank you, Dr. Salvana. Question from John Punsala ng ABS-CBN for Secretary Roque. With NCR Plus under...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.